today I wanted to share what fits inside the Stresa PM. So this is a smaller satchel in the azure color from Louis Vuitton, and this is a great summer bag. It's very comparable to the Monty GM in the monogram print if you've had the Montegral. But today I wanted to just share this azure bag because I had a couple of these over the summer. I used the Galliera PM, so you can see the PM size next to the Stresa PM, and they hold about the same amount of things. So today I wanted to share what's inside my Stresa PM bag, and you can see that I have the items also in the Galleria bags. So they're really good size everyday bags, and I use a bigger wallet right now just because I have everything kind of in one place. I have a couple cosmetic bags, of course, masks because 2020, and then just some usual things like keys and whatnot like that. So this is everything, and I could fit more in this bag if I wanted to, but this is just kind of like my everyday things. So the unusual part about the Stresa is it has this kind of belt that comes over and then clasp in, and I think it's what gives the bag kind of a little bit of extra detail. It's pretty easy to get in and out of, but the only kind of bad thing about this, because it has the vachetta leather, is that this sits like right under your armpit. So if you put these on your shoulder and they're long enough that these fit comfortably on your shoulder, I would say like size and handle length and everything is very comparable to the Monty GM, the Montegral GM. I call it the Monty. But it's very, very comparable, which is a great size bag. You can fit all of your essentials, but it didn't have this piece right here. So if you're wearing tank tops, I think you can kind of put together how that starts to become a little problematic in the summer. But I love the detail. I don't mind that it clasps. One thing that you can do if you don't want to deal with the clasp, well, two things, I guess, is that you can unclasp it, and then you can just put it down inside, and then you can have it easy open. But I don't really like how that looks with just kind of this hanging there with nothing in it. So the other thing that you can do if you don't want to deal with the clasp, or you just need to get into your handbag really quickly, is you can put things down inside the zippered area and just leave that open. Now obviously not everything will work, but if you have both hands, obviously right now I'm using one hand for my camera, it's a little bit easier, but especially small things like a card case or a sunglasses case, you can reach down inside and grab it fairly easily because this area on the side is pretty big. For bigger items, like this is about the same size as a zippy wallet. This is a Dooney and Burke wallet with the Disney dogs print, but about the same size and composition as a Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. For something that's a larger wallet like this, or Sarah wallet, I have a number of the Sarah wallets as well. For a wallet of this size, if you had two hands and you could open it up, you could probably maneuver it in and out without unclasping. You can see even with one hand I can kind of jiggle it in there, but it would be easiest to get it out with this open. All that being said, I like the versatility that, you know, you can zip your bag if you want to, but you don't have to. So this is what everything looks like down inside. You can see there's still a lot of room left over. There's two pockets there in the back and no pockets here in the front. It's just kind of the flat canvas. So I wanted to share this because I like this style handbag. I don't know that this would be like my top pick because of the vachetta leather being right here on the top, right underneath your armpit. But this was a fun style to carry this summer, and it's not too heavy as well. So I like, if you have watched my bag videos before, you know I like a little bit of a slouch. So I really like how that isn't super structured and it's just a little bit slouchy. I think that gives a little bit of style. So this is the Stresa PM size, and I found that the PM size worked really, really well for me. It's a pretty durable handbag, and this is what it looks like on all sides. So let me know if you have any questions. I do think that I will get other bags that have a clasp like this. I am looking at like the Sistina and things like that. I'm kind of liking kind of a little bit of the styles that have been discontinued or kind of a vintagey feel right now. So I like that idea, but I don't know that I would ever get one that has this leather piece right here again that has vachetta leather, so either the monogram or azure. So that worked fine for this handbag, but just going forwards, I'll keep that in mind. So let me know if you have any questions down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.